Hello there and welcome back. So, what I had in mind is to basically create a Docker swarm from the Raspberry Pis that I have. So, I have my Raspberry Pi 5 or Pi. Let's undo this. So, Pi 5, and this is going to be the swarm manager. And we are going to use the Pi 4 cluster and the Pi 5 NAS. And every member of this cluster, so Pi 0 and so on. And what I want to do is to show you how you can do it. And there is a container which is called Swarmpit, which can be used to orchestrate with the help of the GUI, the Docker part. So basically, what we have to issue is on the master node, the Docker swarm init advertise addr 192.168.50.80. And now we can join the swarm. So if I log into the RPi cluster, or the RPi NAS, I can issue the Docker Swarm join with the token. And as you can see, this node has joined the swarm as a worker. So what I did before this video is to prepare every Raspberry Pi to run Docker. So technically, I am able to issue these commands. So join the node as worker, SSH Pi 1 and SSH Pi 01, SSH Pi 02, so that's going to be joined. Cool. That's the Pi 1 and RP cluster SSH RPi cluster and SSH Pi 2 and SSH Pi 3 and RPi cluster SSH Pi 4. So Pi 2 should also join the swarm, and Pi 3 should also join the swarm, and Pi 4 should also join the swarm. So the next thing is to install the Docker Swarmpit, and I have to use the right terminal. So this is the Raspberry Pi, and in order to install this Swarmpit, we have to issue the following command. So this is the Swarmpit. It is going to pull down the images. And by the way, the power saving part of the CPU configuration doesn't seems to provide any kind of downsides. So stack name is Swarmpit 888, local database user admin or start exclamation mark 1 2 3 4 5. So we are starting the Swarmpit, and we are almost there. So after the Swarmpit is started, we should be able to visit it with the help of a web browser. So let me pull it up. Let's see the details. So we have a stable and Edge version. And it's still loading. So the Swarmpit has been initialized, and we should be able to reach it on the right port. So HTTP RPi 888 DB failure, connection refused, HTTPS. Oh, it's HTTP. RPi 888. So admin. And this is how it looks like. So basically, our cluster has 6 worker nodes, 1 manager, and we have no registries. We have a stack, and we have services, and we have tasks. And if you take a look at the infrastructure, this is how it looks like. And these are the nodes. So CNAT, P1, P2, P3, P4, Raspberry Pi NAS. So everything is there. And we don't have any volumes at the moment. But this kind of looks good to me. So we can create a new stack, a new service. So maybe I'm going to create a new video. See you in the next one.